Right, so we are now going to raffle off this Leatherman arc, and we're going to do it in a fun way. The winner of this contest is going to get this arc and these tooth sheaths mailed to them at my expense. We have a bunch of water balloons here, well, balloons filled with water, and we have a catapult set up with one of these 3-person catapult systems and some quick draws. That's what you buy these things for. And then over there, we have all of the cups. We have 9 cups with people's names on it. I'm going to go over and show you who's in the contest. All right, so over here, we have these cups filled. I fill them all the way to the top with water, so it's fair, and they have some weight to them. This one is Mr. Collect. This one is Omnipresent. This one is Gigi Lago. This one is Delphin. This one is Two-Hand Jack. Is it Jack? No, Two-Handed Rock. This one is Darren Smith. This one is Samson CJ. And this one is Marco David. So the kids are going to alternate shooting. We have 60 balloons to go through. And if after 60 these cups aren't marked down, I might stop the YouTube thing for a while and work on throwing a ball with the kids or something. Anyway, there's 9. And basically the last cup standing will be the winner. So I'll probably put it on a time lapse because it'll take a while, but we'll do a couple, time lapse a couple, and then do the final shots. Go ahead, Paul, you can turn off. We're wearing safety glasses because this catapult's a little bit old and dodgy, and so there could be a snapperoo. Let's move the balloons back here. And last time we did this, one balloon came all the way back and broke the house, so we're going to try and not do that again. All right. Yeah. All right. So who's our first one? Go ahead, Bex.
Do I just pull it down?
Yeah, I would on the left hand. Hold on, Bex. I would put your left hand here and your right hand here, and you're gonna have to pull it back far and low. Watch out, Paul. Okay. This is gonna take a while, I think. There it goes. I heard a pitiful in there. Oh, a squirrel just ran away. All right. Yeah, you got to go back further. Okay. This is going to be incredible footage for YouTube. All right, come on. Let's work on these techniques. We should have practiced off camera.
Oh! Yeah.
Oh! I was concerned that one hit was going to take down a bunch. Okay. Well, maybe we won't need all 60 balloons.
Oh, well, we can have fun with the rest.
Okay, well, there's a trend developing among the female contestants.
Daddy, it's still rolling.
Yeah,
the last one.
they're actually still down there. Come on, little guy.
Point up, straight, point up.
Oh! All right, there's 2 left. I think that's Samson CJ and what was the very last one? I can't remember. Okay.
Back on the video.
Yeah.
Both of them.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. If they both go down, then we'll have a rematch of some kind.
Yeah, those two. If those both go down.
Oh!
Peter, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh, the balloon stayed in there and came back. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah.
Oh.
Those fat balloons. Where you got?
Okay. If we had had a rolling contest, I think Becca would have won. PD, okay?
Yeah.
I think one thing to pay attention, make sure these aren't getting twisted. It looked like they were twisted, so that might have kept it in there. Watch out, Paulie. Oh, a midair break.
Don't ask me what happened. And they were only 60 balloons.
Yeah, who knows? Becca, come on. Pitiful. Well, they're party balloons filled with water. Come on, Paul.
Now you're pointing to the left too much. You're going to the right.
Nice. That was a solid hit.
Going to the right, guys.
Funner. More fun.
Too much to the side.
That was an awesome launch, though.
Okay.
Go to the right.
I feel like finally. Get this.
All right.
Hey,
Polly, stop. Look. See how it's all twisted? That's why it's doing that. You gotta let it untwist.
These are such bad balloons.
They're good balloons.
You're just a bad talker.
To the right, Polly. There you go.
Hey, Polly. That's where we might say pitiful. See the face of concentration. All right, come on. Let me get in there and try one.
No.
What? Yeah. Who started?
Becca.
Okay, hold on, Bex.
Let Becca go.
All right.
Then me.
Pitiful.
Becca.
Oh.
Ow.
All right, Bex or Paul and Paul and Peter, and then the adults are going. Polly, buddy, like that. There you go.
These are such bad.
Glad our neighbor decided to leaf blow while we started this video. Pitiful. Paul, we're going next. The adults are going now. Uncle Tim's gonna be sad he missed. Oh, Peter, what did you do? How did you even do that?
I don't know.
Got it all twisted. Oh, all right, Tanta Candace.
What? Some of these are crazy. Let's see if you got one. His first try got all the time.
I know.
Yeah. That first try.
This should be
We're
good.
going down, Cupperoonies.
Cupperoonies.
Come on, let's go.
No way.
Pitiful. All right, y'all.
Pitiful.
The limper. She's got a bum knee. We were playing The Floor is Hot Lava at the local playground. She tried to get me. Should have known it wasn't possible. Did you just say you were so close?
I was. I almost had you.
The further back, the more chance it has to like.
Is that your working? Is that your working? All right, here you go. You're the filmer now.
Sorry, Mama. But that
All right, let me see one.
Here you go. Here you go. Yeah, let's see this. Pitiful.
How rude of you.
Yeah, you get I don't think that was not pitiful.
That was not pitiful at all.
Well,
That was
That
was masterful.
I didn't get the amazing.
No surprise you didn't want that filmed. Oh, rainbow.
Poor Becca, she hasn't got a single good song.
Oh, my neighbors, of course. Oh, they're making a YouTube video. Let's get out 2 backpack blowers. It's awesome. Nice shot. That was solid. No cups down, but solid. No, I wasn't. No. 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 As I said, I would hold to the left and the right hold it like a little baby. Nice shot.
Becca just had her first successful call. Sorry, purple balloons. It's your turn. You're going down.
All right, after Peter, it's some adult time, I think. No, after Peter. I know which kid you are. Interesting, but pitiful.
Interesting.
We should do another one where Uncle Tim runs around up there and we try and hit him. Nice. All right, Tanta Candace. Load her up with a balloon.
I have to hit the last cup now.
I just hope they don't fall at once. We'll have to do a rematch for the last two.
I think so.
Further back, come on.
And pull it to front. I mean, left. Just like that. Woo! Daddy?
All right, thank you. Did you like set me up for?
Look at our baby.
I bet the statistics on this video will show a lot of swiping to the end. I'm not sure. That's a problem with wireless microphones. They die and they don't tell you. So we lost some audio there, but we're going to leave the video. All right, whose turn is it?
Mine.
All right, go for it.
Hey, going down. But there's like 5 down.
No.
No.
Polly, out of the way, buddy. You shouldn't be in front of the catapult. Oh! Wow, he just needed a break. All right, somebody run over and get the name off that last cup.
That was so good. Good job, Peter.
I hope I caught the footage. I wasn't like being super cognizant of it because we've had so many misses.
I'm trying to hit fall down. So you hit by one.
Yeah, in a second. Let's get the name. Let's get the name of the cup.
He's gonna tell the name and I'll shoot. Like, watch it. I'm just shooting once this name.
All right, Polly, read the name off the cup. Marco. Does it say something else like Marco Polo? Dancel? I don't remember writing that. Okay, Marco. Here, Marco. I don't know, something.
Just bring it with us.
Bring it on over.
Yeah.
You bring it, yeah, dump it out, bring it over. Oh, that kind of dump out. Polly, I just said bring it over.
We see it.
All right, so wait till he gets a little closer so we don't miss.
Can I have one? Dad, can I have one?
Aim for his face.
No.
Aim for his face.
Paul shot me in the face.
Aim for his face.
Not that. Can I have one, Papa? That one. Yeah, that one.
He's just totally unfazed. Oh, you hit him! Queen of the rolling balloons. All right, Paul, let's see that cup.
Yeah, let's see.
All right. The winner is Marco David. All right, Marco David, if you're watching this, go ahead and email us at therojekfive@gmail.com. I'll put it in the description. Send me your address and we'll send you the leatherman and the sheaths. Congratulations.
Paul's middle name is David. How did he not know how to read that?
And Paul's middle name is David. So, you know, all this propaganda about how we do homeschooling, you know, take it with a grain of salt, folks. You never really know how it's going to turn out till it's over.
Justin.
I think maybe it's my handwriting. Oh my goodness. See ya.